Hebei Dingtuo Machinery and Equipment Company Limited, abbreviated as Dingtuo, was founded in 1996 as a leading automatic poultry cage manufacturer, integrating research, development, production, marketing, and services. We have developed a best-in-class production line and an outstanding engineering team whose members all possess a wealth of professional knowledge and experience in providing integrated engineering service, including location selection, design, construction, equipment installation, etc. In addition, in order to achieve a better exporting method, Dingtuo has also built different foreign trade teams, which are responsible for different market segments, such as our Africa team, Middle East team, Europe, and America teams. Meanwhile, though our plant is located in China, Dingtuo has established offices and warehouses in many places, such as Nigeria, Ibadan, Abuja, Lagos, and Kaduna. Last but not least, Dingtuo also promises that it will provide free replacement service and free delivery service for 10 years if there is any quality issue occurring.